Okay guys, we've just come down Jalan Tan Hyokni, which is this place here, and it's all lantern field. It says lantern field, so all these here get lit up at night. And around that way there's another night market as well, which actually we were kind of going to. That one is called Pasar Karat, so we may end up at that one. Oh, this I really wanted to come to this one, Kopi Loco, but looks like it's closed. Yeah, looks like it's closed for now. Oh wow.
What is this? It's a sticker?
Oh. Yeah, stickers.
Wow, I want to stick with my guitar.
Yeah, which one? No sticking to Woodlands. Come across these guys, they got all these stickers.
Nothing about this place.
Really cool ones. Okay guys, so we've kind of gone through the Lantern Road. Now we're in Hooker District, as you can see over there. Hooker is in like the smoking thing, I think. So kind of Turkish-ish. But we're at this place, Trade Chai Wala and Co. So Chai Wala, chai is tea, and Wala is like seller, but that's in like Hindi, I guess. So like India. Maybe it's not Hindi there. But we're got teas are coming. Teas are coming. Okay, so I got a Vietnamese coffee. Usually it's kind of like coffee with separated condensed milk, but obviously I stupidly got it hot, so that then mixes together. I should got a matcha latte. Mine's very sweet. Yours is sweet?
No, I got matcha hot water. There's no milk here. It's just a matcha powder and water. You can have a look. But maybe in the matcha powder there is milk, so then it makes milky tea latte matcha. I don't know.
Or matcha latte. Maybe. So as you can see here, there's like loads of stalls and kind of these kind of street food things, but all in like shipping containers. I think they're all, yeah, all in shipping containers, you know. So that's pretty cool. And that's where we had our coffee over there. Also a shipping container. So yeah, we're just walking still down the back down the Lantern Street. Unfortunately the lanterns aren't working, but they do have lights everywhere. Yeah, we've just noticed a few here as well. There's like some like second-hand clothes, some like football jerseys, loads of like sweets and chocolates and cakes. So yeah, there's a lot going on here. Quite a lot. If you just see just behind me here, there is like this graffiti stuff. And you can see there it's a tiger. So I think there's some relation between Johor Bahru and tiger.
You should.
I believe it's part of the kind of their logo or something, but I have seen all around the city there's like a lot of references to tigers. Yeah, I did see like some article as well, one roaming the villages around Johor, so I think like a real tiger is what I mean. Yeah, but we're currently kind of still walking around, kind of moved away from the lantern bit, but then it joins on to like the night market. Yeah, it's massive. Just goes on forever and ever. And it seems like it's quite well, very local. Yeah, we're the only kind of foreigners or any Europeans, shall we say, here. Local prices, it seems, even stuff like, you know, you can get a t-shirt for like £1 or like 5 ringgit. Yeah, all prices seem really reasonable. But yeah, I think we're going to keep walking for a little bit. There's a lot going on. There's shorts here. I think this is mostly kids though. This is all for kids. Oh, glow in the dark t-shirts.
I just accidentally overheard a boy who worked on one stall. He was singing, and I smiled to his mom, I guess, and I said, the worker, in Poland we say the worker who actually sings at work is the best worker. And then she said, well, maybe he should be a singer. And then I basically said, that's a great idea. Maybe, do you have a YouTube channel? I show him my YouTube channel, and then he promised that he will make his own. So fingers crossed for this boy to actually use his passion and skills and start his own business. So good luck.
So just here, you can see the name actually of the market, Pasar Karat. I don't understand why that's on there. Maybe this is like the old market, and then this is kind of like the night market. So this is all the night market. I'm not sure. That's more kind of like a bazaar down there. But yeah, it's all closed, and it seems to be all happening over here. When we came through before, they were setting all this up. So probably an hour ago or so, and then they're still setting up in some places. But yeah, some cool stuff. Never anything that I'm quite keen on, but some of those like anime shirts, if they're maybe big enough, I'd maybe consider them. Yeah. But yeah, I think we're going to keep going down here. I think Asha's trying to work out which bag she wants. She wants to buy a bag because she hasn't got enough bags. If I don't have to carry that one as well. Yeah, see, here's Ashley here, and she's going for some bags. I'm not sure. Trying to stay away from those durian crepes. Wow, durian crepes. But yeah, there's all this sweet stuff over there. Trying to stay away from it. Unfortunately, Ashley decided to stop here, right next to it. But I'm full. I'm definitely full. So yeah, and we're thinking we may come back to this place. Maybe. Probably not tomorrow night because we'll be in Singapore. I think we'll be in Singapore the next night as well. But I just seem to think we're coming back maybe in 2 nights' time. But we'll see. We'll see, we'll see. Oh wow. Okay guys, so we're pretty much done now, definitely for now. For definitely. We're just walking down here. This place actually looks a lot nicer at night.
Yeah.
Yeah, with it when it's all lit up, it's all like pretty.
Yeah, I got something special. And I always liked anime when I was a child, so I got myself a new bag.
Yes, I should got a new bag. Like I said before, I'm not sure who's going to be carrying it around there. That's the problem, isn't it?
Well, I will be happy to carry it.
Who's carrying it? Who's carrying it? That's the question. Cool guys, well that's it for us.
Love will carry it.
Alright, well that's it for us guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep on drifting.